My name is Blair McLean, and I'm a registered clinical counselor. A lot of people I've talked about who've had difficult experiences in therapy or have thought about abandoning therapy say that they felt judged. And it might not have been the counselor's intention to judge them, but that's the experience of it. There's a paradox in therapy where clients feel like, I'm not okay and I need to change, and that's why I'm here in therapy. And actually, non-judgment is so important because clients most of the time need to meet themselves exactly where they're at in order for change to take place. But it's hard. It's a paradox. How can you accept yourself as you are and still want to change? And so that's where I come in with the non-judgment, because I'm absolutely okay with you if you're stuck or if you're not changing. How you are right now is okay at the very beginning of therapy. And often clients can build change or build momentum with me not judging them. Stuckness is really interesting and really, really challenging. Some clients, when they're in therapy, they feel like they're making all this progress. But often with people who feel stuck, that's not the case. And sometimes, and I've experienced this with several clients and ridden alongside them when that dam has burst. And often with stuckness, all of the work comes together in a different way, and sometimes all at once, which is really exciting to see. But for me, I just let go of that, the idea that we need a breakthrough. Often when clients are able to meet themselves where they're at, even if they're stuck, changes can happen too. I think there are so many messages out there that tell us that we're not okay as we are. It comes from family, it inadvertently comes from friends. We need to be better, we need to produce more, we need to portray ourselves in certain ways. What it does is I think, in kind of an abrasive fashion, it kind of rubs away at our humanness and at being imperfect, which is kind of a beautiful thing in my mind, is to make mistakes and be imperfect. But their mistakes and being imperfect are so scary for people because clients come with a range of inner critics. And some of my clients call their inner critics monster critics. Monster critics are, daily wielding shame and heavy criticism. And that can be sometimes a barrier to achieving what you want to achieve in therapy, for sure. But it's not something that scares me. I'm not scared by the monster critic. I think that the monster critic's trying to help and is actually just has big muscles. But it doesn't bother me. I think that people will get where they want to go, for sure. Sometimes it takes a little longer in therapy if we come in highly self-critical, and that's just something to expect. But that doesn't bother me.